Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must start by unlocking the iPhone with your numeric or alphanumeric passcode. This is the single reliable way to enable shutdown when the device resists other gestures. Once done, make sure the home or lock screen is visible and the phone is responsive. Don't waste time trying emergency gestures first. Entering your passcode establishes system privileges. If the screen is frozen, try a quick touch on the passcode field to wake input, then tap each digit deliberately to avoid mistakes. Once unlocked with your passcode, press and hold the side button plus either volume button. This combination triggers the power menu because unlocking grants the shutdown privilege. When the screen displays power off and emergency SOS sliders, focus on the power off control. Swipe it right in a single, confident motion. You do this because the system requires an authenticated session to expose the shutdown control. Without the passcode, the menu may be restricted or prompt for verification before completing the action. After sliding power off, watch the display until it goes black and status indicators stop. That confirms a full shutdown. If the slider does not respond, re-enter your passcode to ensure the phone is truly unlocked, then repeat the hold-in swipe sequence. Authentication is usually the blocking factor. If the device is frozen and won't accept input even after unlocking, perform a force restart. Quick volume up, quick volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, because that resets the UI without erasing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.